Hello everyone, welcome to my FL Studio tutorials. Today we are going to make vocal chops like this. Okay, cool. Now let's jump into the tutorial. First open your SliceX tool. Then drag and drop your vocals. Then click on Auto Slicer and it will automatically chops your vocals. Now the most important part. You have to find the right vocal chops that sound good to you and fits perfectly with your track. Now draw your MIDI and do same changes on second half part. In second half I just added a slide note under the main note. So now our vocal chops are done and now we have to add effects on it. For effects I use Parametric EQ2, Fruity Wave Shaper, Sound Goodizer, Decapitator, Little Alter Boy, TR5 Classic Comp, Kickstart and Valhalla Room, with all together sound like this. So that's it for this video. If you learned something from this video, so please give a like on this video and click the subscribe button. I'll catch you on next one. Till then, peace.